This is Richard Owens.
Would you stop for a quick sec?
That's all the instruction. I told you I was giving you no instructions. The latch.
Fuck, I'm gonna get this motherfucker like this.
Is it working?
Yep. If you want to help Richard get the lid off, you can, but I'm the cameraman.
Take the lid off?
Yeah.
Scared of it?
Watch out, Wendy. You in the picture, Wendy.
Hold on, she got it hold on.
Alright, Owens.
Look.
This is
Oh,
it.
Stick
okay.
it to the lid. Stick it right there. Stick it right there.
I am, but excuse me,
Wendy. Alright, Owens. This is it. Everybody at work's gonna see this, Owens. You feeding a snake. You know, and so far you're looking kind of bad.
Huh?
So far you're looking kind of bad, baby.
Okay, well, I'm trying to.
Move it down about 2
Clip that old tail, baby. At the end, at the tip, baby. If it gets away, baby.
Let me get him, hold on.
Richard Owens, ladies and gentlemen, is extremely intoxicated.
Get it.
Is that good enough or no?
Yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Right here?
Let's see, baby. You'll soon find out whether it's good or not.
Should I snatch him by his throat?
No, just go hit him on the cement.
Was that gonna hold though if I go hit him on the cement?
Let's see. There you go, Owens. The door is open. Look at that.
Oh man!
Get him, Owens. Get him, Owens.
We're just suffocating. How about that?
Well, let's go do it in the light then. Richard Owens, ladies and gentlemen. Blunder number 1.
What?
So what is that?
She just said she wants you to pick out something that
You didn't get away?
And she said, that's what? She said, you can figure it out.
That's fine.
Cheeseburger from McDonald's.
I got a couple. Hell yeah.
She's so sweet.
Let's go on ahead and take a shot of Jim Beam while we're at it. Why, wait, don't even do it.
Hold on, what'd you say?
Huh?
What was that?
Let's take a shot of Jim Beam right quick while we're waiting on little buddy to go away. You hear me?
Yeah, let's get a close up of little buddy. Look, ladies and gentlemen. I think he's almost there. Hey, Wendy. Hey, Wendy. Can we get the man a shot at Jim Beam?
Yes.
Not a baby shot either. This guy right here is a real man. A real man.
Go ahead.
What are you doing, Tommy Gunn?
Go to sleep.
Hey, Richard, is there anything you'd like to say to the boys and girls that are watching this video?
Well, at this particular point, boys and girls, we're doing an experiment for a python or some type of snake sitting in that cage there. So this is not to be tried at home by no means, okay? We're trained professionals and we do this for a living. That's it.
Shot at Jim Beam for the gentleman.
To this guy right here.
Let's get a close up of this.
Look at his tongue.
Right here. Right here.
Hanging
All
out.
right. Like a champ.
With the
Like
dip.
a pro.
With
With
a
a dip.
in his mouth.
Oh.
With a dip.
Oh my
Say what?
God.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen, this may have never been witnessed.
With a big ass dip in his mouth.
Before.
May have never been on tape before. I think it's dead, Richard. You want to set him down and get him by the tail?
Come on. How about the tail?
Yeah, you want to feed it to it with it by the tail.
Right here? Huh?
Yep. Very tippy tip.
Down the under?
Yep. Over here we have another project.
Almost complete with his mission.
Guys, this is Dexter. He's a ferocious eater.
So what? Hold on.
Hurry up.
When he gets it,
Just let go.
Just let go of everything?
No, not of the tongs. Just
You
the.
have to put him at an angle and get the clamp unclamped.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes.
Yeah.
Voila.
Mission.
On a scale of 1 to 10, Richard, how would you rate that?
That was absolutely a 10. Mission accomplished. There we are.
Bam, bam.
This guy's looking